Good morning, student. Today we are going to discuss about the new group, that is the 7th year group elements, chemistry second year English medium, part 1. What is the 7th year group elements? What is the properties of the 7th year group elements? How is the preparation of the chlorine and bromine in laboratory? Next, another one, structure of oxy acids of the chlorine. That is the discuss the about the 7th year group elements properties. That is the 7th year group elements. So here is the first one, the 7th year group elements. 7th year group elements are fluorine, chlorine, bromine and iodine and astatine belongs to 7th year group elements. Here is the fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine and astatine belongs to 7th year group elements. It is also called as a halogens. 7th year group elements also called as a halogens because of those elements are produced from the sea water. So here is those elements are produced from the sea water. Sea water, that is the salts producer. Salts producer is also called as a halogens or halides. 7th year group elements also called as a halogens. It indicate the X. X is equal to 7th year group elements. Those are for first one fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine and astatine. Those elements belongs to 7th year group elements or 17th group elements by the IUPAC notation. Those elements also called as a halogens because of those elements are produced from the salts producers or sea waters. So it is also called as a halogens or halides. Halides indicated by the X. X is also called as a halogens or halides. Next, another one. In 7th year group elements, fluorine is the more reactive elements. So here is in 7th year group elements, the first element is the fluorine. Fluorine react with the all elements in periodic table. So it is also called as a super halogen. Fluorine is also called as a super halogen. Here is the super halogen. Because of in 7th year group element, fluorine is the more reactive. Here is reactive with the all elements in modern periodic table. So it is also called as a super halogen. In 7th year group elements, first element is the fluorine atom. Fluorine atom exists the more reactivity. It reacts with all elements in modern periodic table. It is also called as a super halogen. Super halogens. Next, another one, the general electron configuration of 7th year group elements is NH2 NP5. NH2 NP5. Here is the number of s orbital exists the 2 electron and number of p orbital exists the 5 electron. So here is the 2 plus 5, 7 electrons are exist the outermost electron. So it is also called as a 7th year group elements. In 7th year group elements, outermost shell consider only 7 electron. So it is also called as a 7th year group elements. Next one, electron configuration. Electron configuration of 7th year group elements. So here is the first one, fluorine, next one chlorine, next one bromine, next one iodine, next one astatine. In 7th year group elements, astatine is the radioactive elements. Fluorine, chlorine, bromine and iodine is the non-metals. Here is those elements also existence of the gaseous nature. Here is the astatine is the radioactive metal. So here is electron configuration of here is the 7th year group elements. Fluorine atomic number 9, chlorine atomic number 17, bromine atomic number 35. Here is the iodine atomic number 53. Next astatine atomic number here is the 85. So electron configuration of the fluorine, helium atomic number 2, here is the 2s2 2p5, 2s2 2p5. Here is the inert electron configuration of helium, helium atomic number 2, 2 plus 2 4, 4 plus 5 9, that is the atomic number of the fluorine. Next one chlorine, chlorine atomic number 17, neon atomic number 10, 3s2 3p5. Next one bromine, here is the argon atomic number 18. Next one 3d10 4s2 4p5. Next one krypton, iodine atomic number 53, electron configuration of iodine, krypton atomic number 36, 4d10 5s2 5p5. Next one xenon atomic number 54, here is the 4f14 5d10 6s2 6p5, that is the electron configuration of the 7th A group elements. In 7th A group elements, all outermost cell, all elements outermost cell consist the only 7 electron, that is the 2s2 2p5, 3s2 3p5, 4s2 4p5, 5s2 5p5, 6s2 6p5. All outermost cell consist only 7 electron, so it is also called as a 7th A group elements. Fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine and astatine outermost cell consist only 7 electrons, so it is also called as a 7th A group elements. Next one, general properties of the 7th A group elements. First one, physical state. First one, physical state. In 7th A group elements, here is the fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine are gases. Here is the fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine is the gases remaining. Here is the astatine. Here is the fluorine, chlorine. Here is the F2. F2, Cl2 is the gases. Next one bromine, Br2 is the liquid. Next another one iodine is the solid. Iodine and astatine, two compounds also called as a solid. Here is the physical state of 7th A group elements. Fluorine, chlorine. Fluorine, chlorine is the gases and bromine is the liquid, remaining iodine and astatine is the solids. That is the first property of the physical state of the 7th A group elements. Next another one, atomic radius. Atomic radius. Second one is the atomic radius. Second one, atomic radius. Atomic radius is indicated the R, the distance between the center of the nucleus. Here is the distance. The distance between the center of nucleus to the outermost electron and atom is called atomic radius. The distance between the center of the nucleus to the outermost electron and atom is called atomic radius. That is also called as a R. It indicates the R. In 7th A group elements, fluorine 2, iodine or astatine, atomic radius increases because of number of cells are increases. So top to bottom atomic radius increases. Here is the fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine and astatine. In 7th A group elements, top to bottom fluorine to iodine, atomic radius increases because of number of cells are increases. Next another one, the metal nature. Here is the metal nature. What is the metal? The elements of losses of electrons, any elements or any atom, the loss of electrons nature is also called as a metal nature. A gain of electrons also called as a non-metals. So here is the In 7th A group elements, fluorine, chlorine, bromine and iodine. 4 elements also called as a non-metals. Non-metals means that the gain of electrons. That is also known as a non-metals. So fluorine, chlorine, bromine and iodine is the non-metals. And iodine, astatine is the radioactive metal. Here is the metal. In 7th A group elements, top to bottom, non-metallic nature decreases and metal nature is the increases. Non-metallic nature decreases and metal nature is the increases. So here is the fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine is the non-metals in 7th A group elements, but astatine is the radioactive metal. Radioactive metal. So in 7th A group elements, top to bottom, non-metallic nature decreases and metal nature is the increases. Next, another property, electron affinity. Here is the electron affinity. Here is the AN or electron affinity. In any atom, removal of one electron or one electron is added to the outermost shell of isolated neutral gas of an atom. One electron is added to the outermost atom of an isolated neutral of the gas atom. That is also called as a electron affinity. So in electron affinity, one electron is added to the outermost cell, then that is also called as a electron affinity. So in electron affinity, fluorine to iodine decreases, but here is the fluorine to chlorine electron affinity is the increases, but chlorine to iodine is the decreases because of here is the repulsion forces of the outermost cell. So here is the fluorine to chlorine electron affinity increases, but chlorine to iodine electron affinity decreases. In modern periodic table, more electron affinity atom of chlorine is the more electron affinity of in modern periodic table. Next, another one, electronegativity. Loss of electrons, gain of electrons, nature also called as a electronegativity. The tendency of any atom gain of electrons, that is also called as a electronegativity. Here is the En means that the electronegativity, the tendency of any atom gain of electrons, that is also called as a electronegativity. Here is the 7th A group elements are more electronegative elements in modern periodic table. Here is the fluorine to iodine electronegativity, here is the decreases because of atomic radius increases. Atomic radius increases, electronegativity is the decreases. In 7th A group elements, fluorine is the more electronegative atom in modern periodic table. Fluorine atom is the more electronegative atom of the in modern periodic table. That is the electronegativity. Next one, IP means that the ionization potential. The removal of one electron from the outermost cell. So it is also called as a ionization potential. The one electron is removed from the outermost cell of isolated neutral gas of an atom is called ionization potential. In 7th A group elements, ionization potential, here is the fluorine to iodine, IP values is the decreases because of atomic radius increases. Atomic radius increases, ionization potentials also decreases of IP values in 7th A group elements.